The Pioneer TS-A1680F is a popular 4-way 6.5-inch coaxial speaker set that's widely marketed as a premium upgrade from factory systems. Known for its multi-driver design and affordable price point, it appeals to users looking for more clarity and volume without breaking the bank. But while it offers some improvements over stock audio, there are several issues that make this speaker far less impressive in real-world performance than its specs suggest. First, the sound profile is unbalanced. With 4 drivers packed into a compact design, you'd expect rich, full-range audio. Instead, the TS-A1680F leans heavily toward bright, high frequencies while lacking warmth and punch in the mid-bass region. The result is a thin, harsh sound that emphasizes treble detail but fails to deliver depth or low-end presence, especially in door panels without sound treatment. Second, the multiple tweeters often do more harm than good. While the 4-way design is meant to enhance clarity, it introduces phase issues and frequency overlap that can muddy the sound rather than refine it. Many users report that vocals sound distant and cymbals become piercing at moderate to high volume, which leads to listening fatigue over time. Third, the speakers are highly dependent on amplification. Despite being rated at 80 watts RMS, they sound dull and lifeless when powered by a head unit alone. They require a clean, properly tuned amplifier to reach their potential, and even then, their performance doesn't match similarly priced component systems that offer better clarity and separation. Fourth, the build quality isn't great. The cone materials and tweeter housings feel thin and plasticky, and the terminals are fragile. Several users report early mechanical failure, including blown tweeters and rattling at higher volumes. For a speaker marketed as an upgrade, it lacks the durability to handle long-term daily use. Fifth, installation can be frustrating despite being labeled a drop-in fit. The mounting holes don't line up perfectly in all vehicles, and the oversized multi-tweeter assembly may interfere with factory grills or door panel clearance. Additional spacers or modifications are often needed, which adds time and hassle. In conclusion, while the Pioneer TS-A1680F seems like a solid upgrade on paper, its real-world performance is held back by weak bass, harsh highs, build concerns, and a difficult fit. For the same investment, better balanced component sets or higher quality 2-way speakers will deliver superior sound and reliability.